Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Lasting Lily stamp set. Actually, just a very small sentiment from this celebration item. So I have a whole bunch of strips of paper here and my adhesive sheets. So I believe this is Blushing Bride. I use 2 pieces of Whisper White. The DSP is Petal Promenade, and I'm using a little bit of Petal Pink and a little bit of Blackberry Bliss. So once that's all sandwiched together, I will cut the excess off and save it for another day. I save every inch of this adhesive sheet. It's phenomenal. And then what I'm going to do is use the Be Mine stitched framelits, and it's the heart framelit, and I just have here some low tack tape, and I'm kind of squashing it, the paper plus all the die cuts onto this low tack tape, so the sticky parts facing the ceiling basically. And you can see how I managed to just keep the shape where I needed those hearts to be. So here's my Whisper White cutout, and I'm taking that outlined heart and placing it on the bottom part of a card. And here's my second Whisper White one. And I just had to figure out, I'm going to nest these two together so it goes the complete length of the card. So I have to cut some off, and then I can nestle it right up against each other, and you can't really even notice that it's 2 pieces. And then I have the tedious work of taking some of the hearts from all the pieces that I cut and placing them back in like a puzzle piece back into my outline. So I used every little bit of the paper that I mean, I could have made many different Valentines with this. I only made the one, but now I have a whole bunch of hearts that are full stickers, so I can use hearts wherever I would like. It is kind of cool to do it this way. And one of the nice things is that if you keep it in the same like how they come out of the big shot like I have, there is no guesswork. You know what heart goes where. And the thing is, they are different sizes and some pieces won't fit into other pieces. So I just wanted to make my work very easy for myself. And it did take a while. It was a labor of love for sure. And it was nice to be back to the craft desk, although it's taking me forever to do everything. You know, I just had knee surgery, so some things it just takes longer to do, like everything. Like tie your shoes takes 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm doing okay, but sorry this video was late. All right, so I have Blackberry Bliss for my ink, and I am stamping the I Adore You, which is perfect. This was perfect for this card. So this is pretty simple, but this is called the inlaid technique. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.